Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to master soda levels in Candy Crush Soda Saga. Understand the soda levels. Each soda level requires you to raise the soda levels by matching candies adjacent to soda bottles. Prioritize matching near bottles. Focus on making matches adjacent to soda bottles to increase the soda level quickly. Use fish candies effectively. Fish candies can directly target soda bottles. Use them strategically to hit bottles that are hard to reach. Create special candies. Strip candies and wrap candies are particularly useful in soda levels. Create them to clear larger areas of the board and raise soda levels. Focus on raising the soda first. Before tackling other objectives like clearing blockers, concentrate on raising the soda level to the required height. Plan moves for cascades. Look for moves that create cascades, as they can help raise soda levels faster and create opportunities for special candies. Pay attention to board layout. Some levels have tricky soda bottle placements. Study the board layout to plan your moves effectively. Combine special candies. Combining special candies can have powerful effects in soda levels. For example, a strip candy plus wrap candy combo can clear a significant portion of the board and raise soda levels. Clear blockers efficiently. Blockers like chocolate can hinder your progress. Clear them strategically to access soda bottles and raise the soda level. Use booster wisely. Boosters like Swedish Fish Booster or Coloring Candy Booster can be helpful in clearing blockers and hitting soda bottles. Save them for when they can make a big impact. And that's how to master soda levels in Candy Crush Soda Saga. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.